What if mental health symptoms such as anxiety, stress, low mood, poor focus, foggy thinking are not really like conditions to mask or manage, but really are signals that your body is trying to send you and your mind is trying to send you? And these are messages that are trying to get your attention and trying to alert you to something that's going on in your body, to some kind of a hidden imbalance that maybe is not easily detected by conventional medical approaches. And maybe you've tried all kinds of treatments. Maybe you've tried therapy, you've tried medications, tried all kinds of other special diets and special advice, and yet you may still not feel well. Why? That's because conventional approaches treat symptoms, they do not treat root causes. So it's like putting a band-aid on a splinter. It's not actually taking the splinter out. So in this video, I'll share about a different way, a new way, an approach that has transformed many lives, including my own. I'm Dr. Bliss Lewis. I'm a psychiatrist and an integrative medicine doctor. And also, I have been there. I have had my own struggles with physical health and with mental health. I was exposed to radiation when I was a child through Chernobyl explosion. That caused all kinds of issues, including thyroid issues and infertility. But it also got me interested in medicine. And then once I was in medical school, I had a real mental health crisis. I was just not sleeping much and not eating well and working a lot and stressed. And I developed anxiety and depression and ADHD that was before like I was able to manage. Suddenly I wasn't able to manage it. And I went on my own conventional psychiatry treatment journey, and I was given a few medications. They kind of helped, but not enough. And that inspired me to really go on this deeper exploration and journey to figure out like what actually works, right? Like what else is out there other than therapy and medications to restore balance and to create thriving and high functioning, high performance life, and not just kind of like managing or surviving. And that's what launched me on a journey of studying everything from conventional medicine to functional medicine, ancient systems, ancient wisdom systems. And the Bliss protocol is the synthesis of all of those different pieces of knowledge. So it's putting together a program that is organized and gives you a roadmap for how to approach a healing journey. And each person is different. That's why it needs to be individualized. But it's at least giving you a framework and a structure. So how does it work? What are the components? It's a 3-step process. And step number 1 is just to dig deep, to discover, right? To listen deeply, to investigate, to do all kinds of assessments and tests, and to try to really put all the pieces of information together to understand what's going on. And a big part of that is also testing, functional medicine testing, laboratory work, like really in-depth testing to see if there are underlying biological issues like inflammation or toxins that are getting in the way of well-being. And once we really have that information, we can move on to step 2, which is to optimize, right? To really address all those things we figured out in step 1 and to optimize energy levels, to optimize how well your mind is working, how well your body is working, to address any issues that were uncovered, and to set you up for thriving, for feeling well, for feeling amazing, for feeling clear, right? So that you can perform at a highest level in your personal life, at work, and in your personal growth journey, right? In your health journey. Then we move on to step 3. And step 3 is consolidating it and sustaining these gains, right? Learning how to think about transformation, not as like a one-off event, but as a process and as a system, right? So this is building a system that you can take with you and that's sustainable and that fits you, that will allow you to take good care of yourself for years to come, right? And to set yourself up to prevent illness, to prevent decline, to optimize health. The next thing to do is to just call us and set up a consultation, or just schedule online. We have a few different options. We have a coaching track and we have a clinical track. So depending on what fits you and what you need, there are different options. And there are clinicians who can do a lot of the functional medicine work, and there are clinicians who can do deep psychological work and therapy within our group. So this is your journey. Your health is super important, and we are available as guides, right? We are here to help you build a toolbox, to create a roadmap for your healing journey so that you can feel your best and function at your best in your life.